The question says, at a country concert, the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls is 2 to 7. So boys are 2, okay? And then it says girls are 7. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? 2 to 7. If there are 250 more girls than boys, how many boys are at the concert? So if there's 250 more boys than girls, that means I can see here that these are equal. There's two tape diagrams here and there's two tape diagrams here. Well, this part is the more part. And how much more do they have? Well, they have 250 more girls. When we did this in class, it was easy to see that the more was one box, but here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. I've got to figure out how much is in each box. So I can take the total and divide it by the amount of boxes that I have here. So that means 250 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I can't, I don't have enough hundreds to split it into 5 different groups, so I'm going to look at the tens. I have 25 tens. I know that each group, if I split it up into 5 groups, each group can get 5. And if each group got 5 tens, then that means I took a total of 25 tens out of the pot. I'm left with nothing. I bring down the ones, there's nothing. So since I can't split that up, I can't put any amount because there's nothing left in the pot. 0 times 5 is 0, and I'm left with nothing still in the pot. So that must mean that in each one of these boxes, it must be 50. Well, let's check it out to make sure. I can take 50 and I can multiply it by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm really good with values, I can see, well, these two make 100. These two make another 100, so that's 200, 250. Either way, I can solve the problem. So if these boxes each have 50, these all have to have 50. Now, the question did not ask how many girls there are. What the question had asked, and let me take a look at it real quick, it said, if there are 250 more girls than boys, then how many boys are at the concert? So how many boys total? In other words, what's this number? Well, there's 100 boys at the concert.